Hey cookers, forget about takeout tonight. Today's bite-sized cook is Skillet Fried Chicken with a crust unbelievably crispy. I call them Krispy Krunchies. Stick around because at the end I'm going to share Grandma's secret to getting those Krispy Krunchies. Those amazing little extra pieces of breading to get that special crispy crunchy texture. This is what Colonel Sanders wishes he could do. I seasoned my chicken with about a teaspoon of paprika, poultry seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and a tablespoon of salt. I guess that's kind of like the Colonel's 11 herbs and spices. If you want to kick it up a bit, add a little cayenne pepper to it. The way you cut up a chicken actually makes a difference for frying. If you want to see exactly how I cut up a whole chicken for frying, check out the link popping up in the top corner of the video right now. I double bread my chicken. I bread it in flour seasoned with just salt and pepper, and then a quick dip in a milk wash, and finally back into the flour again. You could press on it a little bit if you want. This kind of helps the breading stick to the chicken a little bit. But let me tell you cookers, this double breading is only half the secret to getting those amazing Krispy Krunchies. I remember being in my grandma's kitchen down in Hot Springs, Arkansas when I was 11. And she was showing me all this. But Grandma's main trick is still to come. Now she cooked her chicken in a cast iron skillet. I use these Ninja Never Stick pans. They work really well, about the same as a cast iron skillet. You want to preheat your oil before you put anything in it. You want it at a medium-low heat. I put it at about 4 on the dial on my stove. But you definitely don't want to add the chicken to cold oil. It just makes it greasy. This medium-low heat allows the chicken to cook slowly and evenly and perfectly brown without burning it. Place the chicken in bone side down and then put a cover on it. And after about 5 minutes or so, give it its first turn. See that nice color? It's starting to cook a little bit. Put the lid right back on it. Another 5 minutes pass, time for the second turn. But put that lid back on there. And then after another 5 minutes, you turn it again. But this time, the lid stays off of it. Let it cook for about another 5 minutes. And it should be perfectly golden brown on both sides. And then you just want to take the chicken out and let it drain on a wire rack. That wire rack allows it to stay crispy on both sides without getting soggy like it would on a paper towel. Oh, look at that. Golden brown, crispy crunchy. You see all those little crispy crunchies there? That texture you get from a slow skillet fried chicken like this is just incredible. And the moment of truth, crispy outside, perfectly juicy inside. This fried chicken is perfect. Okay, so remember when we were breading, I said the breading was only half the secret to Grandma's trick? The real secret to those Krispy Krunchies is in the lid. The chicken gets double fried. Covering the chicken traps the steam, and that steam soaks right into the double breading, making it moist. Then when that moist breading gets fried in the hot oil, it creates that incredible, extra crispy, crunchy texture. It's the moist breading getting fried twice that makes it so special. And when you turn the chicken, that super crispy coating you already made never gets put back into the oil, and the lid never gets put back on the double fried coating of the chicken. And it protects that amazing crunch. It saves money over takeout, and you get these Krispy Krunchies in result. You absolutely have to try Grandma's recipe. Let me know in the comments if you make these Krispy Krunchies or share your family's best fried chicken secret. Don't forget to subscribe and join the cooking family. And if you like this quick recipe, check out my bite-sized cooks playlist right here for more fast and delicious ideas. Have fun!